good afternoon, morning to all of you. My name is Ansobit from class 10. Now I am going to present the topic reactions. Reactions are of two types. First, physical, second, chemical. Physical reactions are the reaction that cannot be reversible. That can be reversible. It also called a reversible changes. For example, the wax of the candle melts or the burning of pepper. The second is chemical change. It is irreversible change. It cannot be changed. For example, such as if magnesium ribbon burns in air, then magnesium oxide will be formed. This cannot be the magnesium oxide cannot be reversed to magnesium. The chemical reaction are of four types. First, combination. Second, displacement. Third, double displacement, and fourth, decomposition. First, combination reaction are the reaction in which two reactants react to form a single product. This examples such as magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. The second is displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, the highly reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its compound. For example, if iron reacts with copper sulfate, then iron displaces copper from copper sulfate and form ferrous sulfate. The chemical formula are Fe reacts with CuSO4, then form FeSO4 plus Cu. Third is double displacement reaction. Under double displacement reaction, the exchange of ions takes place. In this, the precipitates are formed. It is also called as the precipitation reaction. This can be of three types. First होता है photolytic होता है, thermal and electrolytic होता है. Photolytic decomposition होता है AgBr2 decomposes into silver and bromide. Second, thermal होता है thermal और electrical होता है. जैसे H2O को if we pass electricity through it, then it decomposes into H2 plus O2. And the last one is decomposition reaction. Under decomposition reaction, the one reactant decomposes into two or more products. For example, if we heat FeSO4, then it converted into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Two gases, sodium dioxide and sodium trioxide, will be released. Thank you.